I'm Betsy, and today I'm going to walk you through taking one of my favorite Siri shortcuts and turning it into a fully native Swift app, all on my phone in just a couple of minutes, all using Bitrig. So I row on the river, and I need to keep track of how many meters I'm rowing as the bow of a boat because there's a lot of responsibility in that seat. And so the more meters I row as a bow, the better boats I can use. Let's jump into Bitrig and take a look at how to turn this into a fully native app. Okay, I've opened up a new project in Bitrig, and now I just need to tell it what exactly I want. I want an app that will track how many meters I row when I'm sitting in the bow seat of a racing show. It should track the date of the row, how many meters I rowed, the name and the type of the boat, and if there was a coach. All right. Now, Bitrig is going to think a little bit, and it doesn't take that long, but just to spare both of us this awkwardness, I'm going to edit out all of the thinking bits. You can always scroll back to see what it thought about. Okay, and now it's made us now. Let's dig in. Okay, looks great. It's empty, as I expect. So why don't we go ahead and enter in a row? Okay, it was, let's see, yesterday at around 6 a.m. And I wrote about 10,000 meters. It was the Borealis, which is a single, and I did not have a coach. Okay, let's save. Looks great. I'm just going to enter in some additional data just so we have an idea of what this looks like. Okay, magic. Now we have some data to play with. So this is looking really great, but I realized I made a mistake. I didn't row this morning and I can't edit it. So let's just ask Bitrig to make this an editable list. Allow me to edit historical records. Also, while we're at it, let's make this into two tabs, a coached view and an uncoached view. Okay, Bitrig's telling me it did exactly what I asked it to, so let's take a look at it. Okay, let's edit this row. Sure enough, it wasn't today. Who am I kidding? And now let's take a look at our tabs. There they are in a beautiful liquid glass treatment. Coached solo. Perfect. Okay, now what if I wanted to delete one of these? Pretty common. Let's go ahead and ask Bitrig to make it so I can delete records. And also, I'm going to ask it to make it so that I can rate rows. Sometimes rows are really great and sometimes they stink, and I want to keep track of that. Let me swipe to the left to delete records, and let me swipe to the right to rate a row thumbs up or thumbs down. Let's take a look. All right, look, I can delete this row. Oh, and I can rate. Excellent. Exactly what I wanted. Okay, one more request for Bitrig. Now let's make this feel more water or river themed or even nautical. All right, let's see what Bitrig comes up with some artistic license. All right, it's done. Let's see what Bitrig did. I'm excited. Oh, that's nice. I love that. Oh, but now why on earth did it put a bicycle icon? I'm not riding bikes. Let's just ask it to fix that. Can you change the bicycle icon in the tab bar to be a boat or water or something? There, all better. And now we have a fully functioning, fully native Swift app built right here on the phone. And that's not all. I wanted to send this to test flight to distribute to my friends and family or even put on the App Store. It's as easy as a click. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bitrig is available on the App Store, so download it, check it out, and don't forget to tell us about all the cool stuff you're making. Until next time, see you later.